Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How are you today? I am fine too, thank you. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Sahidah. You can call me Miss Nur. I am a new mathematics teacher at SMP 3 Gedang-Sari. Okay, before the lesson start, we pray first. Pray begins. Finish. Is anyone absent today? Okay, Miss absent to know. Sinta, Indah, Ratna. Okay, all in. Please prepare your book and stationery. Today we will study linear equation in one variable. Before entering the material, Miss will convey the learning achievement, learning objective, and achievement indicator in the one variable linear equation material. The learning achievement at the end of page B, students can use variable in solving linear equation in one variable. They can solve the problem using linear equation. Next, the learning objective number 1, defining and modeling one variable linear equation. Number 2, determine the variable value of a linear equation in one variable. And the last, using variable in solving problem relate to linear equation with one variable. And the achievement indicator number 1, explain the concept of linear equation in one variable. Number 2, create a mathematical model. Number 3, solving linear equation in one variable. And the last, using of concept linear equation in one variable to solve problem. From the learning achievement, learning objective, and achievement indicator, do you have any question? No? Okay, if there are no question, we will go into the material. In the material on linear equation in one variable, there are 3 sub-chapters that we have to study. The first is concept of linear equation in one variable. Next, solving linear equation in one variable. And the last, application of linear equation in one variable. From the concept of linear equation in one variable, there are 2 discussions, namely closed sentence and open sentence. Number 1, closed sentence. Pay attention to the following sentence. Point A, 6 plus 4 equals to 10. And point B, 9 is an even number. From the 2 sentences above, it can be seen that the scope of discussion only has 2 possibilities, namely true or false. With details, sentence point A state that sentence is correct because it provides information that is appropriate to the existing situation. And sentence point B state a false sentence because the information provided is contrary to existing reality. So, sentences that are true or false are called closed sentence or often called statement. Number 2, open sentence. Pay attention to the following sentence. Box plus 5 equals to 12. In this sentence, we cannot say whether the sentence is true or false because the value of box is not yet known. if the symbol box is replaced with any number, then it can be said that the sentence is true or false. The symbol box can be replaced with a later variable. So, an open sentence is a sentence whose truth value cannot yet be known. Next, the solving of linear equation in one variable. The solving of linear equation in one variable, there are two discussions, namely one variable in one linear equation and solving of linear equation in one variable. Number 1, one variable linear equation. An equation is a mathematical statement in the form of symbol state that two things are exactly the same. Equations are written with sign equals. Example, x plus 3 equals to 5. That the value of x equals to 2. Next, linear equation are equations that contain variable of rank 1. Example, 12x minus 10 equals to 2. This equation is also called a first degree equation or linear equation one variable. So it can be concluded that the linear equation in one variable is an equation that has only one variable, with the highest power of the variable is 1. The general form of this type of equation is ax plus b equals to 0, with the conditional a not equals to 0 and b constant. For information, the variable in the equation above is x. The degree or power of the variable x must be 1. As seen, only write x means that the variable has power of x degree 1. So just write x without the rank right. The above equation has a coefficient a. Values that do not have variable are called constant. In the equation above, it is symbolized by c. Of the equation below, which one is included in the linear equation category one variable? Point 1, 3x plus 5t equals to 12. And point 2, x squared plus 4x equals to 5. Answer: point 1, 3x plus 5t equals to 12 is a linear equation with one variable, because the equation 3x plus 5t equals to 12 has a variable x which is a power of 1. And point 2, x squared plus 4x equals to 5 is not a one variable linear equation, because the equation x squared plus 4x equals to 5 has variable x with our power of 1 and 2. Next, solving of linear equation in one variable. The solving to a linear equation with one variable is the replacement value of the variable so that the equation becomes our true value statement. For example, an existing x value in the equation 4x equals to 12 will be different from the x value in the equation 2x equals to x. Pay attention that the value of x in the equation 4x equals to 12 is 3, while the value of x in the equation 2x equals to x is 4. So it can be seen that the value of a variable can change depending on the values in the equation. Solution to solve linear equation in one variable, namely using equivalent equation. Equation can be expressed into equivalent equation by adding or subtracting two sides from the same number and multiplying or divide on two sides by the same non-zero number. Add the same number. For example, m minus 9 equals to 13. Next, add 9 to both sides becomes m minus 9 plus 9 equals to 13 plus 9 becomes m equals to 22. Next, subtract the same number. For example, 2a plus 1 equals to a min 3. Next, both sides minus 1 becomes 2a plus 1 minus 1 equals to a minus 3 minus 1 becomes 2a equals to a minus 4. Next, both sides minus a becomes 2a minus a equals to a minus 4 becomes a equals to minus 4. The next, multiply by the same number. For example, 6 minus 5y equals to 9 minus 4y. Next, both sides minus 6 becomes 6 minus 6 minus 5y equals to 9 minus 6 minus 4y become minus 5y equals to 3 minus 4y. Next, add 4y to both sides because minus 5y plus 4y equals to 3 minus 4y plus 4y becomes minus y equals to 3. Both sides multiply by minus 1. It becomes minus y multiply by minus 1 equals to 3 multiplied by minus 1 becomes y equals to 3. Next, divided by the same number. For example, 7a equals to 5a minus 12. Both sides minus 5a becomes 7a minus 5a equals to 5a minus 5a minus 12 becomes 2a equals to minus 12 becomes 2a over 2 equals to minus 12 over 2. Divided both sides by 2 becomes a equals to minus 6. Next, application of linear equation in one variable. Many everyday problems involve system of linear equation in one variable. The steps to complete it are as follows. Number 1, create an example of the variable. Number 2, create a mathematical model. Number 3, complete the algebraic calculation. And the next, draw conclusion from the calculation result. Consider the following example. Two farmers in a rice field are planting rice on a rectangular plot of land. The width of the land is 6 meters shorter than its length. if the circumference is 60 meters. Determine the area of the farmer lands. Answer. For example, land length equals to x, weight of land equals to x minus 6 because the width of the land is 6 meters shorter than the length. Ground circumference equals to 60 meters. So the mathematical model of the problem above is around equals to 2 multiplied by length plus weight becomes 60 equals to 2 multiplied by x plus x minus 6. 60 equals to 2 multiplied by 2x minus 6. 60 equals to 4x minus 12. 60 plus 12 equals to 4x minus 12 plus 12. 72 equals to 4x. 70 over 4 equals to 4x over 4. So 18 equals to x. So land length equals to 80 meter. Weight of length equals to x minus 6 equals to x minus 6 equals to 12 meters. And weight equals to length multiplied by weight equals to 18 multiplied by 12 equals to 216. So the area of the farmer land is 216 meters square. From the linear equation in one variable material, do you have any question? No? Okay, if there are no questions, please join your respective group according to what Miss have divided. Please work on the existing student worksheet. If you don't understand the question, you can ask Miss. Miss give you 20 minutes to do it. Okay, time's over. Now, please group 1 present the result of the discussion in front. Yes, right. Thank you, group 1. So you understand everything about today's lesson. So the conclusion of our lesson today is linear equation in one variable is an equation that has only one variable with the highest power of the variable is 1. The general form of this type of equation is ax plus b equals to 0 with the conditional a not equal to 0, b equals to constant, and x equals to variable. Okay, I think today's lesson is enough. As reflection material, please write on a piece of paper what you don't understand in learning linear equation in one variable and provide suggestion for the next lesson. Thank you all for your enthusiasm. Stay enthusiastic, maintain your mood, and maintain your health. For the next lesson, we will learn about linear inequalities with one variable. Please study at home and prepare well. Okay, to end today's lesson, please pray first. Pray begins. Finish. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you class.